Hello everyone. Today I thought I would show you how I store my gel prints. Now I have a sturdy basket here that's just the right size for some file folders. These you see in the front, these have not been filed yet. I just kind of put the ones as I finish them. Once they're dry, I put them in here, and every so often I'll decide where they go in these files. So some of the main ones I have are marked as available, and I've got the different sizes: 3 by 5, 5 by 7, 6 by 6, 8 by 10. These are the ones that I feel like, okay, if I need a framed print to go to the gallery or something, I feel like these are either ready to go or might need just a tad bit of something, but they're pretty much available. If someone comes in and asks me, hey, I need a 6 by 6, then I can show you, well, I've got these. So the ones that I feel like I could sell as is, I put in the available files. And then I've got level 2. So I have things marked on here like cards, book covers, bookmarks, embellish. These are some that are close. So I do a lot of cards, something like this. This one's like ready to go and take to the gallery. But if I feel like something can be cropped down and maybe embellished a little bit to make it into a card, those go into those particular files. I also make these little composition notebooks. I buy them at the dollar store, and we'll just, some that can be cropped down, and I just glue these onto the front. I have a YouTube video for that if you want to look for it. And so those are the ones that I consider level 2. These are not ready to go, but it doesn't take much to get them there. And then I've got level 3. These are some that just, they're not successful at all. I don't feel like any amount of embellishment is going to improve them. These are some that can be cut down. I have, when I send out my Etsy orders, these are the types that I will use in my Cricut to cut down into little hearts as just a little thank you note. So it doesn't have to be fancy. So I can use a lot of those for that. Eventually, after a couple of years or whatever, I'll go through these, and probably some of these just get scrapped. Sometimes I'll do collage packs, and these are good ones just to go through and cut them down or tear them down in some way. And then just other little things that might be like special little projects, I'll keep those in there. But every once in a while I do go through, and if they are just not good, there's no way I'm going to use them, I will toss them out. So hope you find this helpful. I do have larger prints. They won't fit in here. They won't fit in any drawers that I have. I have a top shelf in my closet where they simply just get stacked up in there. And I go through those every once in a while and do the same thing with those as well. Hope this is helpful. Let me know if you can expand on this idea in any way. Talk to you soon.